everyone, my name is Fauzia Atika. I'm from the Communication Science Study Program. My student number ID is 44250351. First of all, I would like to thank my English lecturer, Mr. Fitriani, for giving me the chance to share my thoughts on this topic. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed on campus. I strongly disagree with people who smoke in the campus area because it brings more harm than good. A campus should be a place for learning, growing, and building in a healthy future. When people smoke on campus, it doesn't just affect their own health, it also disturbs others who don't smoke. To begin with, smoking creates an unhealthy environment. Cigarette smoke contains many harmful chemicals that can cause serious diseases like lung cancer and heart problems. Even people who don't smoke can be affected by secondary smoke. That's really unfair to non-smokers who just to study and breathe clean air. Secondly, smoking on campus sets a bad example for other students, especially the new or younger ones. When they see others smoking freely, they may think it's normal or acceptable. But actually, it's a dangerous habit that can lead to addiction and serious health issues. As educated individuals, we should set a good example and promote a clean and healthy lifestyle. Moreover, smoking makes the campus environment dirty. Many smokers carelessly throw cigarette butts on the ground, which ruins beauty of the campus and increases waste. A clean campus shows discipline and respect, while a smoking area full of cigarettes would show the opposite. In conclusion, I truly believe that smoking on campus should be completely banned and strictly enforced. Our campus should remain a smoke-free area where everyone can study and interact comfortably. Students, lecturers, and all staff members should work together to keep the campus clean and healthy. By doing so, we can create a better and more positive learning environment for everyone. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. My name is Fauzia Atika. I'm from the Communication Science Study Program. My student ID number is 44250351. In this video, I will tell you my PowerPoint about adverb of frequency. So, let's get it. What is an adverb of frequency? An adverb of frequency is a word that tells how often an action or event happens. Example, I always brush my teeth. She sometimes goes to the gym. Next, function. Adverbs of frequency are used to show the frequency of an activity. They answer the question, how often? Example, how often do you study English? I usually study English at night. Next, two types of adverb of frequency. 1. Definite frequency shows an exact number of times. 2. Indefinite frequency shows a general frequency, not exact. Next, definite frequency. Example, once a week, twice a month, 3 times a day, and every day. Example sentence, I visit my grandparents once a week. Next, indefinite frequency. Adverb, meaning, and frequency. Always, 100. Usually, 90%. Often, 70%. Sometimes, 50%. Rarely, 20%. And never, 0%. Next, always, meaning used to show that an action happens all time, without exception. Usage, before the main verb or after to be. Example, I always brush my teeth before bed. She is always happy in the morning. Next, usually, meaning used to show that something happens most of the time but not always. Usage, before the main verb or after to be. Example, we usually go to school by bus. He is usually late on Mondays. Next, often, meaning Used to show that something happens many times or frequently. Usage before the main verb or after to be. Example, they often play football after school. She is often tired after work. Next, sometimes, meaning used to show that something happens occasionally or not regularly. Usage at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. Example, sometimes I read books in the park. I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. Next, rarely, meaning used to show that something happens not often, almost never. Usage before the main verb or after to be. Example, he rarely eats fast food. They are rarely at home on weekends. Last, never, meaning used to show that something does not happen at all. Usage before the main verb without using not or after to be. Example, I never smoke. She is never late for class. Thank you. Bye-bye.